Top Sport lažybos.
It's difficult to even think about winning a game home if the opponent scored 97 points. In the first quarter we were playing defense with some also mistakes, but at least we tried to fight and we tried to do our best in defense. Second quarter we disappeared. It's not one guy, all the guys, and we disappear like a team.
Tokios rungtynės buvo, kad viską, ką bandėm daryti, nesigavo, užbėgo, užmetė, mes žinom, ką jie darys, bet kaip jie žaidžia ir kad jie bėga, kad jie siaučia ir taip toliau, bet mes nieko negalėjom padaryti prieš jų šiandien.
Jų komanda turi taktinius dalykus ir mūsų komanda turim taktinius dalykus. Tiesiog prasideda viskas nuo gynybos, vienas prieš vieną, teimas į pagalbą, rotacija ir jeigu to neišpildom, tai jie ir meta laisvė ir prasiveržia. Pagalbą neteinam, nedarom kažko, tai sakau, reikia žiūrėti, dirbti dar manau.
I think we can fight and play with heart and proud a lot more because we as a team look like a shame in front of our fans. Tactically, we try, like I said, zone defense, man-to-man, press, everything, and nothing worked. Because we don't respect our rules. We have a clear rules and we go into the court and we don't respect it. So it's difficult. When you establish some rules to respect it, everybody have to do it. If one guy doesn't respect it, it's an open, clear highway to the basket or for a clear open shots. We have to win every day, home and away. Doesn't make any difference. Lithuanian League, Euro Cup. We are here to win. We are not here to participate. And still some guys that we don't understand. This is another story. Of course it changed that we have two defeats at home, so we had to go to win on the road. But we had to hurry up. We don't have any more time. Starting from Saturday on Neptunas. And after we will think about next week here against Zenit. But we had to go game by game and we had to have it clear what means be a team and fight. This is it. After you can win or lose, but you have to fight until the end and respect the rules. To be a team, you have to respect the rules. Everybody, from the first to the last player in the team.
Didelis dalykas yra, kad namų varžybas pralošėm, reiks laimėti iššūkį, tai bus tikrai daug sunkiau. Reikia dar dirbti ir dirbti.
Top Sport lažybos.